Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and apply for refunds on AliExpress. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply head into aliexpress.com and click on sign in right over here and log in into your device. Once you've logged in, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select. So let me just go ahead and log in real quick. Once you've logged in, all you need to do is hover your cursor over your account on the top right and then click on My Orders. And then you can simply go ahead and click on the specific order, tap on the order and select Open Dispute or Return and Refund. Refund only when you keep the item, get the partial refund, or you could fund, which is going to be sending the item back for a full refund. Once you've done that, answer if your package is received. Choose from the options like item not received, damaged, not as described, and then request full or partial amount. Clearly describe the problem in the text box, add photos or videos to support your claim, and press the submit button. The seller has a few days to respond. If they disagree, AliExpress will step in as a mediator to resolve this issue. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.